Hello everyone, I am Harshal More and today I am proud to introduce FoodBridge, an AI multi-agent system built for the Kaggle and Google ADK Capstone under the Agent for Good track. So let's get started. So initially the problem statement is every single day perfectly good food is thrown away in our cities. At the same time, families wait in hunger hoping for just one proper meal. This tragedy isn't food shortage, it is the absence of fast and structured distribution. FoodBridge is here to close that gap. To solve this problem, we need multiple smart steps working together, like understanding surplus food details, picking out the best NGO, planning pickup timing, and estimating real impact. That's why agents are the perfect solution. Each agent handles one intelligent task, and together they deliver results efficiently. So let's look at the architecture of the FoodBridge agent system. As you see here, FoodBridge has four core agents. Surplus intake agent understand what food is available. NGO matching agent select the right NGO instantly. Logistic agent estimate travel time and impact agent calculate meals saved. All of them are coordinated by the orchestrator agent like a conductor guiding a symphony. This makes the system modular, scalable, and transparent. Now take a look at the demo output of our system. Imagine a donor says we have 8 kg cooked rice and pick up within 45 minutes. Immediately, all the agents work together and produce a smart response like best NGO match, ETA for pickup, total meals recover, everything automated, accurate, and fast. So I built FoodBridge using Google Agent Development Kit, Python, and JSON-based event workflows inside a Kaggle notebook. Each agent is modular and the orchestrator controls the full workflow. So taking a look at the GitHub, and this is my GitHub repository containing all the source code, diagrams, and the presentation itself. Everything judges needs to verify and explore the project. And here is the Kaggle notebook. Just click run all and you can watch the entire multi-agent system execute in real time with logs and explanations. So this is FoodBridge, AI built for real social impact. Thank you for watching.